Hey guys, what's up? Loaded Tech here. So today we'll be doing an unboxing of the iPad Air Space Gray, and we also got a couple of accessories with it. I got a cover off of Amazon, got a glass screen protector, and an Apple Pencil with it. So yeah, let's jump in. Before we jump in, let's just say hi to my cat right here. He's just chilling, took off my whole seat. But I'm sitting on a stool right now, but let's see if we can make it work. So let me take out the iPad right here. So this is the Space Gray iPad. It's pretty good. Like, you're basically getting an iPad Pro in a sense, without paying like that price you would pay for like a 10-inch iPad Pro. But the thing is, you do lose out on some features, such as you don't get the 120 hertz refresh rate. And if you're like a PC gamer like me, or if you have a new phone, you would miss out on that. Like, a lot of phones nowadays have it, and it's a day and night difference basically. All right, so let's just open this box up, take a look at it, and see how the black finish looks. All right, guys, I took off the box, so let's just see how the iPad looks. It feels pretty good in the hand, pretty solid. There you get that beautiful space gray color. One of the reasons why I didn't go for the other colors is you don't get that, the colors look a little bit watered down, whereas with the space gray, the color looks like the regular space gray. And for me, this just looks more professional and more industrial. And it looks quite nice. You are missing out on the, the 3 cameras and the LiDAR sensor that you get with the iPad Pro. But I feel like it's just the iPad. All you need is for like document scanning and all that. And that camera is good enough, even though you don't have flash. And a new addition right here, USB-C. I wish they added it on the iPhones. But it's not bad. And as you notice, there might be 4 grills for the speakers. In reality, it's just 2 speakers. But from the reviews, it sounds pretty good. You got the... like the SIM, not the SIM, yeah, they got the fingerprint scanner right here. This is actually the antenna line, so this is what they're using for like Wi-Fi and all that. The volume rockers here, the power button. Overall, it's a pretty nice device. So let's get into the box, see what else is in there. All right, just check out what's next. So this is going to be the pamphlet right here. All right, let's just open this up to see what's inside of it. So just a bunch of typical paperwork. Got the 2 Apple stickers right here. You got your, terms and conditions, quick start guide. Is there anything else in the box? Nope, that's pretty much it. And then you got the USB-C to lightning cable. You get the adapter right here. It's the regular 20-watt adapter. If you want, I believe this could do faster charging if you have like a 30 or like a 60-watt brick. But, I'll just look into that and find out if that's true. But, that's just the device itself. And next, we're going to get into accessories and all that. All right, let's get on to the next accessory. So we're going to look at the keyboard case that I ordered off of Amazon. This one ran me about $24. And I believe it's a way better value proposition than going for something like the $350 keyboard case that works with the iPad 11-inch. Although it looks pretty cool and you could like move it around and all that, I feel like the $350, I can't justify that because that's nearly the price of an iPhone SE. Or you could actually get another iPad Air, just put in like, a little bit more money. So I feel like, it's a better idea to go for this. I haven't seen any posted reviews, so this is going to be a first-time experience. It's not going to have like, the keyboard's not quick connect or anything. You do have to go into the Bluetooth settings, but it's just a minor convenience where you're saving like hundreds of dollars here by going for this option right here. So let's just open it out and check it out, and I'm going to attach it up to the iPad. All right, so I took this out of the box. I'll put a link in the description for this too. It's called the, let's just take a look at the brand here. It's called the Z-Top. So, it's like a generic brand, but as you can see, this is the internals basically. So we got the keyboard right here. The Apple Pencil goes here. So let's just take out all this protective padding, set this aside. And yeah, the base, it just clips in right there. So we're just going to move this aside. They also give you, I believe, the connectivity. It's a micro USB, so you're not getting USB-C on this keyboard. But, for the price, it's actually not that bad of a sacrifice. And the cool thing about the keyboard is it actually magnetically attaches. So you can just remove it, get rid of it. Just put this piece of paper aside. And then let's get on to the keyboard. Just pop this out right here. Right. And you can see it just magnetically drops in there. Just line it up. And just magnetically drops in there. All right, so let's grab the iPad. I'm just going to remove it from the charger. Yeah, it's quite difficult one-handed. Hopefully I can get some help next time around. But, because of COVID and all that, I couldn't get any of my friends to help me out. But, we're making it work. So I'll just clip this in. As you can see, it's pretty good. Goes in flush. And yeah. So, and you can like position this around, bring it a little closer. And you can just, you have a lot of flexibility with this. Let me just move the keyboard for a second. All right, so once you do that, what you have to do is just bring the iPad up, push it to one of these like notches right here. And once you do that, you just plop the keyboard right here. And yeah, the case, the bottom isn't solid. It does fold down a bit. You just got to have it on a good solid surface. So let me just move this right here. And yeah, we got a good surface right here. And as you can see, the keyboard, you'd have to go on, turn it on, hold the connect button. Then you have to go into the Bluetooth settings of the iPad. So, you know, let's get started with the setup. Let me just show you what else I got here. So we also got a screen protector right here. I got this around 10 bucks, 12 bucks, I believe, for this. I'll drop the link in the description as well. This is a 2-pack glass screen protector, and it comes with the alignment tray. So it's really easy. And judging by the reviews, it's pretty good since this also works with the smaller Pro model. So, you know, we'll put that on too and check it out. And I also got this Apple Pencil right here, the Gen 2. I believe if you're a college student, the Apple Pencil is a must because like it makes it more usable. And, you know, let's say you want to take notes and all that, it makes it quite easy. So, you know, let's get into it. I'll install the screen protector and I'll show you guys how all this ties in. I'll also set up the device. All right, guys, we're going to move on to the glass screen protector and install it. And I'll just show you what's in the box so you get an idea. It comes with the alignment tray, as I mentioned before. So, you know, you just open up these corners, pop all of that off. And once you do that, you could, I'll show you what's inside. Just throw this to the side. And let's just open it up. So you got your, you know, regular stuff. You got your sticker, dust absorber, and you also got the card to squeeze any bubbles through. And it also comes with the warranty. Yeah, lifetime warranty. So if it breaks or anything, you get all that. And also covers everything. So if you crack it, you know, doesn't fit, defect, damage, or anything like that. So it's pretty good. And if you also need help, they got a help guide. You could also watch a video. I believe there's a video up on this on how to do it in case you want to make it easier. And here's the alignment frame that'll go over the iPad. So, you know, we just got all these, 2 of these right here. So, you know, let's just put the frame on the iPad. So just pop it over like if it were a case. And once you do that, if you place it, you're going to get perfect alignment. And then once you put it on, it's just going to be like any other. Like it's going to be like installing on a phone or anything. Just watch out for the dust or anything. What I do recommend is you get something like this right here. So this is an air duster, which I use on my PC. But it's quite useful for like blowing off dust off the screen when you're installing a screen protector. So, you know, let's get that installed and I'll show you the end result. All right, guys, so I'm done with the screen protector installation. This one was one of the easier ones because, you know, on large devices it's hard. But, you know, since they included the alignment tray, it was pretty straightforward. They also had a YouTube video to make it easier for you. So as you can see, I literally have no bubbles here. And I didn't even have to push or anything. It just automatically went away. So the next step is let's just take out the Apple Pencil and see what's in it. So I did end up saving a little bit on this by getting an open box at the local Best Buy. And, you know, by open box is actually excellent condition. And I saved like around 20 bucks. So, you know, it's not a bad deal. This is basically what they had on display. So, you know, I checked it out before I bought it. It's pretty good. So, yeah, let's open it. We'll put it over here. And also the cool thing is it also magnetically connects to this iPad as well. So it's just like the Pros. So, you know, let's just put everything together. I'm going to put the iPad on the case and I'll show you guys how it looks. So open this up and, you know, it's the typical Apple paperwork that's inside. So as you can see, it's just like that, you know, Apple Pencil booklet, quick start guide, and some terms and conditions and some warranty information. So it's the basic stuff. And here's the Apple Pencil right here. So let me just open up the wrapping right here. I think I can just slip it out of here. Yeah, just twist it out. Keep this in mind. I am doing this one-handed, so it's kind of difficult. But, you know, I'm getting through it. So I finished this right here. You could also magnetically attach it on the top. It goes through the case's rubber to charge it. And, you know, if you're not using it for storage purposes, just drop it in right here and you should be good. You don't have to worry about nothing. Actually, let me just magnetically attach this. Give me 1 second. I'll just lay this flat right here. Push it in the indent. Perfect. So then we can just push this case right back up and we can go through the setup process. So, all right, let me just turn this on. And yeah, so this is just the typical Apple boot screen. You know, it's pretty straightforward. We'll set up the keyboard. I'll show you guys how it looks. And as for the setup, it's actually quite simple, quite similar to your iPhones. And what you could do on the iPhone is actually you don't have to set up any of that info. You're gonna get a prompt starting with iOS 13, I believe. So it's gonna prompt on your phone. So just select your region right here. So yeah, look, you can do a quick start. So you just bring an iPhone or iPad near it, and that's what we're going to be doing. So I'll just show you guys how that process works. All right, guys. So once you do the setup prompts, you know, with the quick connect, or if you do it regular, it's just going to ask you for the Wi-Fi information, your Apple ID, and your fingerprint. For my situation, I did do the quick connect and all that, and it's quite straightforward. Just have Bluetooth on your iPhone or iPad, whatever device, Apple device you're going to be using, and just, you know, bring it close to the tablet, and the prompt's going to pop up, and you just follow everything. However, I'm not sure if this is like a new bug on this device or something. I tried setting up my fingerprint with the quick connect, but I couldn't. So I'll just show you guys how to do it through the settings. For now, I'm just going to restore from my iCloud backup, which I have on my phone. So I'll just click on this one from yesterday. And it's just going to back everything up. We're just going to go through the setup and all that. So this is for Apple Pay right here. So I'm just going to add up all my cards right here. I'll just click continue. So I'm just going to set up all my cards. And right after this, we'll just go through how to do the setup and all that and what comes after this. All right, guys. So we're going to set up Siri right now and see how this goes. It's pretty straightforward. I already added my cards and everything. All right. Right, all right, accept, agree. Once we do that, we'll pair up the keyboard and everything right here, and I'll show you how to do that. And also, yeah, you see the Apple Pencil right here? What I noticed is this also has a slot for having it upright. So, you know, in case you don't want to keep it there for long, you just pop it in here. And once you need it, just take it out and it starts drawing on the screen. So for now, I'll just like hook it up on top, you know, let it charge up a little bit. Put it right here. Yep, it lines right in the middle. Perfect. All right, so we're done with that. And now once this finishes up, I'll just show you guys the rest. All right, guys, so finally everything's backed up. I went through the update and all that, and I also entered the iCloud password. So let's just get right into it. So I'll just put in my password right here. And once we do that, you just got a regular home screen right here. So yeah, I'll just turn on Wi-Fi calling so I can make calls with this iPad. So, oh no, hold up. So I have to, yeah, I'll just enable that. So I'll just enter my Apple ID password later. But as you can see, this is pretty straightforward. So I'll just click OK right here. Now I'll do that later. So we'll just go into settings and we'll check out the keyboard. So let's go into Bluetooth, right? So I'll just go in and turn it on right here. So we got it on. We just click connect right here. And yeah, there you go. It's flashing right now, right? So you're going to see Bluetooth 5.1 keyboard. Just click that over there. Should connect up. So we're hooked up right now. As you can see, I'll just go back to the home screen. Let's just get like, I'll just go into the text messages or something. So it'll be like new text. I'll just start typing. So you see, like the keyboard doesn't feel bad. It feels pretty good for like, you know, like regular typing. And yeah, so you got everything right here. You got the caps lock. It's not going to be as nice as the, you know, the keyboard that Apple sells. But, you know, those go for like, what, $89. And if you want the Magic keyboard, like the Magic keyboard as in the floating stand that goes up like that, that thing's going to run you around like the $300 to $329, depending on which model you're getting it for. So this overall is a good deal for $24. You get something really good. This looks pretty good and all that. And you also got everything right here. So we're just going to test out the Apple Pencil. So I'll just pull this out and start drawing on the screen. I'm not sure if it's paired up because I'm not seeing a LED light up when I connect it up here. Oh no, actually it is connected. So it says welcome to Apple Pencil. So you just got to put it on top to get it paired. So I'll just click continue right here. So, okay, let's try scribble out. All right. So I'm just going to write right here. So be like hi. And look, it does it perfectly. So YouTube, I'll just write that out there. So no matter how bad your handwriting is, it still is able to read that. So that's perfect. So we'll just click continue right here. And okay, so we could just double tap on the top, I believe, right here. No, on the side. Yeah, okay, double tap on the Apple Pencil, switch between the tool and the eraser. Okay. Okay, now double tap. Erase. Oh my God, that's perfect. Pretty cool. So it's like a real pencil with the eraser feature, except you don't gotta go up on top and like erase it like that. All right then, guys, so let's just take a look at the camera. So I'll just do allow while using app. As you can see, the quality is not that bad. It's pretty decent. It's a tablet camera, so you shouldn't really expect much, But you can see the quality and everything. It's pretty decent for, you know, what you're paying. And it's a tablet after all. So you're not going to be taking any portrait mode pictures or anything like that. All right, guys. So before we end things off, I'll just show you something cool about this keyboard. It has all the function keys that you would need. And one useful one would be the lock and unlock feature. So you basically pull this up and it goes through. So you just open it up with Touch ID. And what's cool about this, like that new iPad OS and all that, you can pair up a mouse and you get like this cool intuitive interface. And so you can search like that if you scroll up. And what's something cool you could do is, let's just say I open up Spotify, right? I could literally just go in the corner and you'd be able to move this around and pin up the app wherever you want. So you get a lot of features, you know, if you got the mouse and everything. So for schoolwork, realistically, this isn't that bad. Unless you're doing something more advanced. In that case, I would recommend a laptop. So let's just test out the audio quality. So I'll just play a snippet of this NCS song right here. No copyright. So let's just check it out, how loud it is. So this is volume off. We're going to go up slowly. So it's in the middle. It's in 75% right here. That's 100%. So as you can see, it's pretty loud and it sounds pretty good, even though it's not quad speakers. So yeah, besides that, you know, it's a pretty cool device. I feel like you're getting a really good value with this. And you know, a question you might ask is, why go for the iPad Air instead of the iPad Pro 11-inch? Well, first of all, the price. So compared to the price, you're saving a few $100s here. And that's the useful part. So, and another thing would be you're getting the A14 Bionic chip. So that's actually more powerful than the A12Z contained within the iPad Pro. So what's cool about this is like you get more performance, although you're going to get less gigabytes of RAM, 4 gigs. But you know how iOS is well optimized. So you don't have to worry about that. And another thing is like, another thing would be you do miss out on the 120 hertz display rate. But, you know, unless you're used to it, you've seen it before, you really wouldn't mind. Me, myself, I could live with it since my iPhone is 60 hertz. But, you know, I do know the difference because let's say I'm gaming or something, I would obviously see the difference of how smooth it is. So, you know, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this helps out, like, you know, pick up accessories, decide what you want. And, you know, just let me know what you guys end up doing. Any criticisms, any suggestions for my future videos. Also, drop a like and a sub. That'll be appreciated. I'm trying to grow my channel. You know, I'm a small channel. Around like 250 subs at the time of shooting this video. So, you know, please just help me out. Because, like, unfortunately, I can't monetize any of my videos. Got to be 1,000 subs. You know, so help me out so I can give you guys more, you know, tech advice and just update it, you know, update you more on my gaming rig right here. And, you know, and more stuff like that. So I can get the budget for it and all that. So I can buy new stuff, give it a review. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Stay safe out there.